Let's go on to our next question. It's coming through email from Mohan. Mohan is planning to buy property in Bengaluru. Now, he does not know whether to buy an apartment or a plot and then construct a house. If he wants to own a 3 BHK apartment somewhere on Bannerghatta Road, he wants to know the finance options available. Also, he wants to know whether he can get finance from banks if he wants to buy plots. Do banks finance plots? And I'm assuming here he's talking about plotted developments because this is Bengaluru that you're talking about.
So I think the finance is available for plots, but it's far more restrictive than if it is available for, say, houses. Typically, if he just wants to buy a plot and not make a house on it, then clearly the choice of lenders will be restricted. Not every lender wants to give a loan for plots. Even those lenders who give loans for bare plots want it either to be a plot bought from, say, the BDA, in his case, the Bangalore Development Authority, or they might have their own set of approved developers whose plots they will sell. Otherwise, they may not give the loan to buy a plot. It's another issue if you are buying a plot and immediately constructing. Yeah, in which case, you buy the plot with your own money and they will give you the finance to construct on it, subject to the loan to value ratio norms, etc. Again, for self-constructing, almost every bank is giving, almost every lender is willing to give a loan for self-construction, just like every lender is willing to give for buying an apartment. Self-construction is slightly more messier, if I can use the word, in terms of getting disbursements, in terms of getting approvals, etc. So you need to really think whether that is something you want to really do, and whether you are up to it. Do you have the time to be able to do it, or you would much rather just stick to buying a regular flat in a
Now, also very quickly, how does it compare, the interest rates for buying a plot? If you take a loan for buying a plot vis-a-vis if you take a loan for buying a flat, are they different?
If you're taking a loan just to buy a plot and not construct on it, then of course the rate is higher. It would be at least 0.5% to 1%.
And it will not constitute a home loan.
If you mean tax advantages, there are no deductions for any interest payable on a bare plot loan.
So if you're taking a loan to buy only a plot, if it's only a plot that you're buying, you need to remember that it will not come under the home loan ambit. It is a separate loan that you're taking from the bank, which also means that you will not get tax deductions. Plotted developments, of course, fall in another category altogether. What is essential is that you build a home at the end of the day, right, Harsh?
Yeah, absolutely. The deduction, the tax deduction is available only from the year in which the construction is complete. That applies to an under construction flat. It applies to building your own house on a plot. In the year in which it is complete is the year from which you will start getting a deduction for the interest.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.